Welcome to our channel. If you need to report a federal crime to the FBI and track the case, follow these step-by-step instructions to file your report effectively. Step 1. Determine if the crime falls under federal jurisdiction. Federal crimes include terrorism, civil rights violations, organized crime, public corruption, cybercrimes, bank robbery, and crimes crossing state lines. Step 2. If you're reporting an emergency or crime in progress, call 911 first for immediate law enforcement response. The FBI investigates crimes, but is not a first response emergency agency. Step 3. Visit the FBI's website at fbi.gov and locate the Tips and Public Leads section. You can submit tips online through the FBI's secure tip form. Step 4. Alternatively, call the FBI's main tip line at 1-800-CALL-FBI, open parenthesis 1-800-225-5324 close parenthesis, or contact your local FBI field office directly. The FBI has field offices in major cities across the country. Step 5. Provide as much specific information as possible, including who, what, when, where, and how. Include names, dates, locations, descriptions, vehicle information, and any evidence you have. Step 6. Submit any supporting documentation, including photos, videos, documents, emails, or screenshots that are relevant to your report. Organize your information clearly. Step 7. You can choose to remain anonymous when submitting a tip, but providing your contact information allows investigators to follow up with questions that could be crucial to the case. Step 8. Understand that the FBI typically does not provide updates on investigations to tipsters. This is to protect investigative integrity and privacy concerns. You generally won't receive feedback unless you're called as a witness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.